16 million Americans suffer from chronic sinusitis, and if they don't get treated quickly, it can turn into a dangerous infection.
But there is a simple new test that is helping with the diagnosis. Dr. Jay Adlersberg is here with more. Jay?
Shade, Diana, that test could be a big help to patients with sinus infections that may cause no more symptoms than simple fatigue. The disease is hard to diagnose in patients with few or vague complaints, but this simple blood test may help find if sinus infections are causing the problems.
I've got a gift, and I love to be able to use that gift.
Artist Cindy Epps believes the beauty of her paintings is in the details. This past year, chronic sinusitis turned her world into a blur.
My head hurt, my face hurt, and it's hard to be able to focus on something beautiful and creating and doing something like that when you feel miserable like that.
On the left is a healthy sinus. On the right is what it looks like when inflammation causes severe pressure and pain. But diagnosis is difficult because it can have so many causes. Now a new blood test is clearing up the confusion.
Using a drop of blood, we're able to tell who are the individuals that have chronic sinus problems.
The test measures specific proteins in the blood linked to chronic sinusitis. In a study of more than 100 people, the blood test was able to identify those who had the condition, even if they had no symptoms.
It's a more objective test. Also, we can determine the type of sinusitis that the patient has.
The test allows doctors to get the patients on the right medication sooner and tailor the treatment to a person's blood profile.
It's like a fingerprint for that individual patient and that individual disease.
After months of suffering, Cindy found the right treatment routine, allowing her creativity to shine through.
I feel 100% better, and I feel like I can do the things that I love to do.
The National Institutes of Health says that in rare cases, untreated sinus infections can lead to brain infections. There's no cure for chronic sinus problems, just careful monitoring and management with the right medication. Shade.
I never realized it could be that serious.
It can be very serious if it's not diagnosed and treated.
Okay. Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Jay.